We're building an app, and we tried everything we can. Starting from Tigris data, uploading an ad store for sale blog that just launched. That doesn't seem really nice. And I needed something that is very close to developer experience. It should be nice. And also, we needed the pricing not to be very expensive, which some of them are very pricey, and also they need a very good performance, like lower than 100 milliseconds. Some of them even took more than a second or hundreds of milliseconds, which I really hate that. So I built my own, and I'm very excited to introduce you to Novisurf, the all-in-one developer platform for edge storage such as KV stores, blob storage, and many more. And even you can even deploy your functions, which we took a really long time to make. So let's check it out. Okay, just find Novisurf in Google or just type in novisurf.top and it will bring you to our home page. So it's pretty straightforward, like every developer tool does. Just hit get started. Since I already have an account, I'll just get redirected to projects. And every new developer gets 2 projects for free with 1 Git each in each project, so that you can really get used to it. But the read writes are currently shared. If you need more, you can just get a pro plan, and we're having a discount. So you should just check it out, because it's only a few users are only given discount for the first 3 months, so that they could try anything they want. So just go to our first project, just name it as you like, and let me just quickly show you how straightforward is our storage. Have a very basic UI for now, but we'll have to update it later. Just click select a file, and then choose an image or anything you like, and it's pretty straightforward. We're really sorry about we cannot support the bulk uploading yet, and we're working on it right now. Let me know in the comments if you're really begging for the bulk upload. We'll ship it out in the next a few weeks. Just hit upload. And yeah, there you go. You get this URL. And oh, by the way, make sure you don't forget to change your visibility to public if you're serving the files through our CDN, because if you do it, then the files will be publicly accessible, so that you won't need any pre-signed URLs. So then let's go to key value storage. And also, this is very straightforward. I've already created a namespace. You can just click plus if you need one, or here, and just click on it. So it's really straightforward. Just for example, let's create a simple one called firewall and under attack true. So for free plan, you can choose between 60 seconds to 1 hour, but for paid plans, you can choose up to 4 hours or up to 8 hours based on your plan. But let's try 500 seconds. Okay, that's really fast. And if you want to make sure, you can just click view, which will give you this JSON value for firewall, and just create an API key in the settings. You can choose read, write, or admin, which admin gives full access to anything. You can list, read, write, or anything you want. Just write example for YouTube demo. Generate key. And yeah, it's pretty scary that you guys are able to copy this key, but don't worry, you can just click revoke, and it's now gone forever. And just create a new key if you want to. And that's of all KV. And let's go to edge config. Edge config also the same. I already created a YT demo, so it doesn't take much time. And the same, you go to configs. I already have one, but let's create a new one again and do YT demo. And then you can just do anything, name equal John, and you're done. Click save. And you can just edit anytime you like and hit save again. So the same as KV, you go to API keys and label optional. You can just create a new one, read, write, admin, and hit generate. You'll get a key. But anytime if you leak it, just smash that revoke button and it's gone forever. So now let's try testing it using our API and SDK. And our SDK is made to be the most developer simple as we could. And we're looking for feedback so that if you saw any bugs or anything that we could improve, feel free to share it to us in our Discord server. So let's hop into our documentation, which you already have it. Introduction to Novisurf. It's pretty straightforward. Go to Quick Start and install npm install NVSF SDK. Put your envs in there, which you can get it from storage, API keys, and here make sure you don't leak it, because if you do, you'll have to recreate your packet. You won't lose your files, but it will refresh your whole ID and everything else, and we're working on it too, so don't worry. And we'll have to initialize the SDK, so let's try it out in an IDE. And yeah, I already did something pre-made so that it won't take a long time. You can just open it, copy this, and come back to your IDE and just paste it in. That's the most simple way we did. Yeah, don't forget to replace your files in env storage. And I'm not going to demonstrate with my envs because we are having a connection issue in our site, and I'll have to use a VPN right now even to just record this and let you all know about Novisurf. So I'm not going to explain, but just initialize this and open create a core.js or anything, name it, import it from storage.js that we recently made, and upload your file like this, and it's just simple. And please keep in mind that we only support this for server side and currently not supporting on front end, but we're looking forward to see that if we're really interested in coming the new version for front end, so that you can generate a pre-signed upload URL and send it to our ingest servers, and boom, your server will get a webhook once it's done and update in your database. So we're looking forward to that, so leave a comment below if you want it. So as simple as it could, it's done. So after storage, let's try out looking at the KV and config to see how simple it is. We don't support it in the SDK right now, but just call it an API and it's done, as long as you have your read key. We're using http.io for testing our fetch request. So if you haven't do it already, you can head to the dashboard and create a write and read key. Make sure you don't leak these. Read key is fine to use in front end, but write key is very important so that you don't leak it. But if you leak it, just hit revoke and it's gone. So let's go back. He already made a hello, and then hit send. And you get this. It's very easy and simple. So let's try putting it. So let's go to the docs, and to write a key, just put method to this URL, namespace and key, and it's done. So let me speed this up. Okay, things are ready. Just hit send, and it's now created. So you can create or delete even in dashboard. When it's done in the API, you can just go to KV pairs, hit refresh, and as you see, there's YC demo. You can just hit delete. It's pretty convenient to do anything in dashboard, and try to get it. And yeah, it errored. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll change my key real quick. Go to KV read, and it's 404. So it's pretty convenient, right? So now let's go to config. For config 2, still the same. Just head back to our documentation, config, and you'll get a EC my store, something like that. Here, as you see, EC, YD demo, and a random number. So head back to again. The same as KV, you can do the same key as we do because we run this on the same server. So let's read the entry first. We get like this, copy, HTTP pi again. Whoa, pretty straightforward, the same. Easy YD demo, oh my god. And firewall. And as you see, you cannot use the same key as KV to prevent like cross store access. So you have to go back, API keys, and you'll have to create a read key. Copy and paste. And boom, you get it. It's again very straightforward. So just like that, you can try write list or anything you like, which is already documented in our documentation page at docs.novisurf.top. I'm really proud that finally my product is really working, and we're always looking forward to get feedback from you. So if there's any errors or bugs or anything we could improve like speed, just head to our Discord server. I'll link it down in the description, and just put it in one of our forums, or just you can even ping me if it's urgent. So that's it. Be sure to try it out, and that's Novisurf.